Macs.
Homemade Big Macs. I like that. All right, so, okay, what we got going on, girl? Let's talk to us.
All right, for our Big Mac sauce, we gotta have a mayo.
Mayonnaise?
Mayo. You need your mustard.
Okay, we got some hot mustard. Is that hot mustard or regular mustard? Regular mustard. All right.
And we got some sweet relish.
Wait a minute, is this
sweet relish, baby?
What's the difference between relish and pickles?
Pickles is long.
Oh, long.
And then we got our white vinegar.
You ain't got no black vinegar?
Nope, white. Going white today, baby.
What we got?
Then we got our garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Then we got our onion powder.
Onion powder.
And then we got ground white pepper.
Jesus God, no, I didn't even know they had all this.
I did not know that
what the heck
either.
Is a ground white pepper?
Ground white pepper.
All right.
And then we got our smoked paprika.
Smoked pepper.
Paprika.
Rica. All right. Smoked paprika.
And this is all just for the Mac sauce.
It's all for the Mac sauce. How do we know the secret of the Mac sauce? Did somebody have to dig into McDonald's FBI files?
I don't know.
And find out how we can make these?
Maybe.
Hey, McDonald's, hey, don't put this on us, man. We don't want no freaking files on us, all right?
We want the first.
And then what else we got over
here?
here?
Then let's move over here.
Going this way.
Then you got to have your ground beef.
Ground beef.
You got to have that.
All right.
For your patties.
For your patties.
And then you got to have your little white onion.
White onions. We got a lot of white stuff over here, though.
Like I said, you got to have your salt and black pepper.
All right, got some black pepper. You know, we know that one.
Black pepper. And then, of course, you got to have your cheese for your burger.
Nah. I ain't about that life, y'all.
You got to have some cheese.
Nah. What kind of cheese is that?
This is medium cheddar. I mean, you can get any kind of cheese you want, but
and you got that.
I like the
you got
medium
the store
cheddar.
brand, right?
Yes,
that's what I'm talking about right there.
You smart.
You get you the store brand. Y'all hear me?
Yep. And then you have to have your sesame's topped bun.
That's not the store brand.
No, they don't have store brand. The Sesame's. Trust me, I look, but they don't.
All right.
And then you gotta have your olive oil.
Olive oil in the building.
Top it off, put on your burger. You gotta have your pickles. You need chopped up lettuce.
All right, that's gonna be good. That's
not the lettuce you just take out. You gotta chop it up.
Give me that one.
Not the lettuce you just take out. You gotta chop it up. Not the lettuce you just take out. You gotta chop it up.
Give me that one.
Not the lettuce you just take out. You gotta chop it up.
keeping it healthy right there. All right, let's keep it healthy. Let's get it.
All right, now I'm going to chop up this white onion.
Just chop it up.
Well, we're just going to slice it up a little bit.
All right. Ooh.
Just like that.
Ooh, why you speed it up? Ooh.
Just like that.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
And then.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, 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 oh.
He good.
All right, now I'm going to make the Mac sauce.
Mac Sizzle.
Mac sauce.
McDonald's in the building, all right? That's what we're about to do.
All right, first, need your mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, you know, we don't do
Big
no
spoon, what type of size you take? 1 spoon?
We don't do no measuring, baby.
All right. You know, black people don't measure anything.
But no, you're supposed to do 1 cup of mayo.
It's soul food. You know, you do it from the soul. How does it feel? Bang! Smack that in there, girl. Smack that again. A little bit of more mayonnaise. Wait a minute. That's a little too much mayonnaise, man.
It's 1 cup. This is not even 1 cup.
Oh, wait a minute. 3 cups?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's too much,
No,
girl.
this is it.
I don't like mayonnaise like that.
You're not going to taste it.
I will shall see. We shall see. Where we
Right.
be.
Gotta rinse this out just a little bit.
But we got more spoon, girl. We ain't gotta rinse that out.
Nope. Nobody don't feel like washing dishes, boy.
We ain't got no paper towels. We can afford that. Yeah, look, paper towels. We got some. We ain't got no damn paper towels. You gonna have to do this, girl.
Like I said, okay.
You wrap it off on your shirt. That's what you're gonna have to do. Let's go.
All right, then we got your
White
vinegar. Like I said, I think you do at least like 2 tablespoons. And then you have your mustard, which is 1
small tablespoon.
teaspoon.
Oh, it's called teaspoon.
Yeah. Teaspoon.
Culinary school. Call me right at you.
Teaspoon.
All right, 1 small teaspoon. Let me rinse that out for you.
Yes, yes,
see,
yes,
see
yes,
that?
yes,
Got your
yes,
back,
yes.
girl. I got you.
And then
Right there.
got your relish. We need 1 teaspoon of that
1
too.
teaspoon of relish.
A little sweet relish.
Okay. I've never seen relish in Big Mac sauce, but are we gonna grind this up or
Yeah,
something?
it's gonna be mixed up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't eat it just like this now. And then let's go with onion powder.
Onion powder in the
We're
building.
just gonna just sprinkle some in there.
All right, sprinkle.
Same. Well, let's do it with garlic. Just gonna
Sprinkle some of the little garlic in there.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do some smoked paprika.
Some what?
Smoked paprika.
Smoke every day.
And then we're gonna just put a little bit in there.
Smoked pepper. Oh man, that is strong.
And then
Jesus Christ.
with this, they say you need a pinch of this. So we're just gonna put just a little bit.
All right, let's pinch it up in there. What is this? This is
the white pepper.
The white pepper.
All right.
Gotcha.
And that's it. And all you're gonna do is just gonna stir it up to all of it. Get it in there.
Hey, stir it up. Hey.
This is our mac sauce. You wanna taste this here? I taste, or you just wanna weigh it out?
Yeah,
what we
we're gonna have to eat it anyway.
What we need.
Let me tell you how saucy it is. All right, let's go with the Big Mac sauce. Y'all ready for this? Yo, it's dope.
Pretty good.
Wow. This is what Big Mac's been doing the whole time?
The whole time, they've been doing this at the house.
Yo, man, let me give y'all our address. If y'all need some Big Macs, all right, we
Really
got
good.
y'all for you. Big Mac.
We're not BSing either.
How much is a Big Mac sandwich? About $5.99? $4.99,
Yeah,
something
or
like
something,
that.
yeah.
$2.99. We're gonna give y'all Big Mac sandwich for $2.99. All right, including shipping and everything. All right.
Shipping and everything.
Let's get it.
All right. Now we're gonna fly out these patties.
All right.
You right, you want to get a handful, because once you cook it, it's going to shrink, the meat is going to shrink up.
Okay.
So you're just going to put it down, just like this, and you're going to flat it out like it's a patty. Just flat it out.
All right, now the patties are all nice and ready.
See them? Patties ready.
Wrapped them up real good, got them all ready. Now for y'all have forgotten, like I was saying, your boy is actually a McDonald's professional. I have actually worked at McDonald's. Went to my first job ever. I used to be back there flipping fries, back there flipping burgers, back there cashing out. Drive through, what was that? You want a number what? Number 3. With no cheese. Actually, you know some people used to come and just order a patty.
That's stupid.
Yeah, it's like, yo, I just want a meat patty. Like, yo, there's no button for that.
Special order.
So for y'all in McDonald's, man, shout out to you. Keep out there hustling. Keep working that work. Keep
See you.
flipping those fries. And do not ever talk junk to somebody who's actually making your food, because I've been there. I know exactly what happens when you talk that trash. Always be very humble. All right, what we do next?
All right. What, we got to let it pop up first?
We got to fry real good?
Yeah, got to fry up.
All right, got to fry up.
And how you know if it's fried up? The test is you sprinkle a little bit of water on it, and if it sizzle, you mean you good to go.
Sizzle?
Yeah, if you hear that,
Hot sizzle.
that means you're good.
That's called sizzle?
Uh-huh.
I don't think that's called sizzle.
It is called sizzle.
Really?
See, there it is.
Ooh.
There it go. Whoop,
Ooh,
good.
no,
Whoop.
you know, you frying, you gotta
duck it and go.
Whoop. Work on your Bobby weed. Bobby weed.
All right, maybe we got this down.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Hold up now, girl.
Maybe
It's
we
going too hot
got
now. You ain't say gonna be that hot.
Really
Burn this house down.
All right. And you're supposed to cook on these sides for about 3 minutes, and then you flip it.
All right.
Or unless you see, when you see the bottom part turn brown.
You know, and we want it well done. All right.
Well
Yes.
done.
I know a lot of people like that red meat in there. No. We want all meat well done. I need it to be
done.
cooked all the way.
And some people, they don't like to cook over the stove. You can also, if you have a George Foreman grill, you can use that as well.
We got that.
Yep, you can use that
You
as
try
well.
that too? Oh, we ain't got time to get up and cook for me. All right, now what we doing now?
Now, we gotta put the burger on the plate. So let's get us a plate.
Okay.
We got our buns.
All right.
Our buns, guys.
All right, we're gonna get Walmart brand. So we have to go and settle for Pepper Ridge Farm.
Yeah, they're banging them. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the bottom part,
Okay.
and what we're gonna do is
Because usually they have 3 layers on
3
the.
layers.
Okay, gotcha.
That's right.
So I don't know how we're gonna emulate 3 layers. Did these come in 3 layers?
no.
Oh boy.
So
How's
we
that
just
going?
have to put it together.
We're gonna have to work with what we got. Okay, we're gonna have to work with what we got.
All right, we're gonna put the Zack sauce on the bottom.
Zax, wait a minute.
I mean, I'm sorry.
Zax sauce. This girl been eating the Zaxby's too much.
Mac sauce, I mean.
We gonna put the Mac sauce. Go ahead, put your Mac sauce in there.
Mac sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You just sprinkle it around, layer it around. A little bit of onions on
A
top.
little bit of onions, lettuce in there.
Yep.
Well, we forgot ketchup. Don't they have ketchup in it?
Nope, ketchup is not in it.
They don't have ketchup?
Ketchup is not in it.
Tomatoes?
No tomatoes. No tomatoes. Stick this on top.
Okay.
And then you add your cheese.
Nah, don't put the cheese back. Nah.
I'm just like, if you like cheese, you put your cheese on top right here. And then what we're gonna
You
do?
know we ain't about that cheese. Right? You already know.
He ain't. I like my cheese, baby.
All right.
And then we're gonna take another piece of bread.
Work it in there.
Stick it on top.
Okay.
And then now we're gonna put some more
2
Mac
layers of
sauce.
Mac sauce? Damn,
Mac
girl.
sauce.
I know they don't do that at McDonald's.
Yes, they do.
They no freaking way they give you 2
They
layers.
put
2
Mac-
layers of sauce?
Yes.
All right. 2 layers of sauce, guys.
Like I said, a little bit more onion.
I know they damn sure don't do that. They ain't got time to do that.
That's what you
2
do.
layers of McDonald's, 2 layers
Put some
of
more
sauce,
lettuce on
2
there.
layers of lettuce. That's a lie.
Then your burger.
All right.
And then
Patty.
now, nope, we forgot the most important part.
Well, the pickles.
Pickles.
All right, we're gonna find it up. Pickles is the best part.
Man, do that.
All right. Stretch a little bit. Yeah, you gotta do this the right way. Y'all ready for this? Ready to work out?
Man, that's good.
That's how you do it, baby. Woo! There we go. Nice and ready.
We just pick a little bit off.
All right.
Just about 2.
Sprinkle in there.
Yeah, just about 2. And then
Actually, it looks good already.
And then you just
I'm starving. So I can't
top it off like
and
that.
That's it right
Your Mac burger.
now. Girl, get up in there. Get up in their face.
That's the Mac.
Y'all see that? Oh, get up in
Big
there.
Mac.
Get up all up in there, girl.
I can't go to
I know y'all hungry, right?
I can go to
I know y'all